Hello, I'm cgian. This is a quick video to show how to stretch image in Canva. After starting Canva, we can go to here to choose a template to create a design. I choose presentation. Click it. And then a presentation design page is created. Now I go to my file folder. I have an image downloaded from freepik.com. We can find the download link in this video description. Now I drag and drop this image into Canva. So the image is imported into Canva. Now we can select the image and then double click. We can go to crop. I suggest to use freeform and then we can adjust the size of crop area. Next we can see that there is a circle at the corner of image. Now I press shift and click and drag. We can find that we can stretch the image. So we can adjust the crop area and then press enter to apply it. So this is how we can stretch image in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm cgian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.